Welcome back. We're going to be taking a look at SAT mathematics. We're going to be solving a variety of questions without using a calculator. Here's exercise 1. That is part 1 of the SAT mathematics. This part is very crucial because you can easily have all your mark here or lost everything. Let's take a look and let me show you how to solve it easily. Okay, we have choice the product of m and n decreased by the square of the sum of m and n. This is a bit strategic if you don't take a look well. Twice the product, we have twice the product of m and n, that is m times n. Decreases by what? Decreasing means subtraction. This product decrease. A decrease means reduction from the initial. The initial is 2 times nn. Okay, it decreased by the square of m and n. Square of m and n is what? You square m plus n. You square, because they said decrease by the square of m and n. Okay, m plus n, all that square. Okay, it decreased by the square. Twice the product of m and product is multiplication. Decreased by the square of the sum. They mention here sum of m and n. That is why we put addition. If they said by the product of m and n, we are going to put multiplication. Okay, that is why you have this. And then the answer to this question will be what? Taking a look at this, the answer will be choose the product times this, that will be b. Okay, moving to the next question. Choose the product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? The product of a number x and 4. Product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. Decreased by 12. Okay, and so our answer here is D. That's how it look like. Moving to the next question. The quotient of m of 19 and a number d. Quotient division. A number d increased by 7. Increased by 7. Increase means addition. You increase it by 7, adding 7 to it. That will be 19 over d plus 7. And confuse yourself, you see, so they said a quotient. Okay, division of an quotient of 19 and a number d increased by 7. That is what it look like. Okay, moving then to question 4. Mario received what? Mario received y text message each minute for 10 minutes. Okay, every 1 minute Mario receive what? Y text message. For 10 minutes Mario will receive what? Maybe let's say x text message. To know now the number of text message receives in this 10 minutes, we are going to say x is equals to what? Y time, because multiply y times 10, that is 10y, and x times that will give x. Therefore for x minute, that will be 10y. Okay, and he receives 10y, 10 for text message for each minute for 10 minutes yesterday. That is for a day. For a day, the day will be x. He received what? 10y messages. Then and receive the text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. Therefore, in the other case, we can say z is equals to what? T. That will be 20t. Okay, that's what it look like. What is the total number of text message he received for 2 days? Having the 2 days is addition of x and z. Then adding will give for 10y plus 20t, and we're going to have for 10y plus 20. That will be give a d. Okay, you see how they confuse us here with 20y plus 10t. If you are not careful, you might make an error. Okay, taking a look and you have it. Okay, this is the answer. Which of the following expression represent the product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of that? Means they said the product of 3k, that is 3k, and what? You see, the product of this product, the product of this and this. That is not this already a product here, but what they are saying is the product of, that is this times what's inside the bracket. Not that you are going to consider this as a product and add or something like that. No. 3k is already a product, yeah, but that puts it just to confuse you, because they could just say a product of 3 and the sum of that. You see that you will not really check it a lot. But now the product of the 3k times what? The sum of m and 1/3 of n. Sum of m and what? 1/3 of n. Sum, you add m plus 1/3 of n. Take that into consideration. Therefore, our answer will be what? 3k and the sum of that is C. Okay. Moving into the next question, that is question number 6. We have what? The difference between two numbers is 8. If the smaller number is n to the 3rd power, what is the greater number? We have two numbers A and B. Okay. The difference between these two numbers is what? That is A minus B is equals to 8. Okay, that is it now. Now what? Now is 8. If the smaller number is n to the 3rd power, what is the bigger number? That is very easy. From here you can know that the smaller number is this one. You're going to ask me, why am I saying that? Because a bigger number minus a smaller number will give positive. If I had a smaller number minus a big number, that will be negative automatically. Hence, you have the big number, that will be A. You are going to have what? 8. You bring this man on this other side to have 8 plus B. Okay? And we know that B is what? N to the power 3. Hence, you are going to have A is equal to what? 8 plus N to the power 3. And N to the power 3 is what? This B. Take that into consideration. Are you seeing what you're saying? That will be n to the power n cubed plus 8. And that's our answer. Okay, let's move to now to question number. Okay, we are done with this section for this exercise. And move to this other one, exponential order of operation. Okay, we're going to take a look at this next time. Let's just limit ourselves to this section so that you should digest it. Digest this one in the next video that will be popping up here. Take a look at it. We are going to be proceeding. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. More amazing content are coming. Drop in the comment if you have a worry or if you didn't understand the section. I will do it again for you. See you in the next video. Don't go, just watch it now.